Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Coinbase using an easy method. First, you'll want to download the official Coinbase application or visit their website directly. You'll then enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. After that, check your email for a verification link and click it. Finally, provide your full legal name and your date of birth accurately to begin your account creation journey with confidence. Next, you'll need to verify your identity, which is a crucial step for security and compliance. You will be asked to upload a clear photo of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Following this, you'll complete a quick selfie verification. Provide your residential address and occupation, then wait for Coinbase to confirm your details, usually within a few minutes. Now it's time to add a payment method so you can fund your account. You can securely link your bank account by signing in with your online banking credentials. Another option is to add a debit card, which often allows for instant purchases. Remember to review the terms for any linked accounts. For maximum security, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. With your account set up and funded, you are ready to make your first purchase. Go to the Buy/Sell section in the app. Select the cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount you wish to buy. Review your transaction details carefully before confirming. Always remember to keep your login credentials and any recovery phrases completely private and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.